I'm in Ypsilanti Township at my current listing at 580 Kennedy Street off Ecourse Road. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 full bath, 1,195 square foot home with a 2.5 car garage, listed at $175,000. It's beautifully updated, and I'm going to take you inside, give you a little tour. Completely repainted on the inside and on the outside. So as you walk in, you see the beautiful living room with lovely picture windows to allow natural lighting. You can see the flooring. Hardwood flooring's been redone. Full bathroom with a jetted tub. Into 3 bedrooms. Sliding doors. Sliding closet doors. Give you an idea. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Again, all hardwood floors. Now I'll take you through the dining room and the kitchen and breakfast nook with large picture window, again for natural lighting. Little utility room for your washer and dryer area. And the really large kitchen breakfast nook area with a new door wall, an updated modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, backsplash, plenty of lighting, all new lights, light fixtures, outlets, and flooring. Very beautiful. That's the layout of the house. Now I'm going to take you out back and show you the backyard. Big 2.5 car garage with the side entrance. And that's the back of the house. So I'd like to read to you all the updates and improvements this house has to offer. There's too many to remember, so I'm going to grab my little cheat sheet here and read them off to you. Here they are. So we'll start out with a new roof with complete tear off and all new plywood, a newly painted exterior and interior walls, a breakfast nook door wall with built-in shades, which is behind me, several new double pane windows throughout the house, all new fixtures, plugs, and outlets, updated fuse box, remodeled kitchen, as you can also see behind me, and all new flooring in the house, either new flooring or refinished hardwood flooring, which I showed you in the video as well. So that's it for the updates I can remember.